Backpacks, daypacks, and luggage for a Galapagos trip. Now that you have a good idea of everything that you need to pack for an enjoyable Galapagos adventure, it is important that you bring the right kind of luggage and backpack to fit it all in. Luggage. A good durable medium-sized duffel bag is ideal bag to carry your clothing and gear for a Galapagos cruise. Models that have wheels and a handle are best for ease of carrying around airports. Additionally, on smaller ships, where space is more limited inside your cabin, duffels will easily fit under the bed, whereas a large hard-shell suitcase will not. Backpacks. For the daily activities around the islands, a good day pack is essential to carry extra clothes, your water bottle, your camera, the towel, sunblock, and more. If this day pack is waterproof, or if it comes with a waterproof cover or pocket, even better. Keeping your gear dry while on the Zodiacs or during wet landings is important. If your day pack is not waterproof, you can also bring a dry sack, which will keep everything dry in case the entire pack gets wet. Here's a summary of the luggage and backpacks you'll need for a Galapagos adventure. 1. A rolling medium-sized duffel bag. 2. A waterproof day pack. And 3. A dry sack with a capacity between 13 and 20 liters.